Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we showcase the world's most luxurious homes and breathtaking properties. Today, we're touring an absolutely stunning American mansion that perfectly blends modern elegance with timeless design. From the grand entrance to the beautifully landscaped garden, every corner of this house is a masterpiece. Let's start at the entrance. As you drive up, you're greeted by a striking facade featuring a sophisticated mix of stone and glass. The double-height doors and modern canopy create a bold yet welcoming impression. The moment you step in, you instantly feel the elegance and luxury that define this mansion. Inside, the floor plan is designed for both comfort and functionality. Open spaces, soaring ceilings, and oversized windows flood the home with natural light. Each room flows seamlessly into the next, offering an airy and spacious feeling throughout the house. The family room is the heart of the home. With its expansive layout, plush seating, and a modern fireplace, it's perfect for both family gatherings and entertaining guests. Floor-to-ceiling windows provide breathtaking views of the backyard, creating a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor living. The neutral color palette and premium finishes give the room a sophisticated yet cozy vibe. Heading down to the basement, this space is truly extraordinary. It's not just a basement, it's a full entertainment zone. There's a home theater with luxurious seating, a custom bar, and a recreational area. Whether you're hosting movie nights, gaming sessions, or simply relaxing, this basement offers the ultimate retreat. Carefully planned lighting creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, making it feel like a private luxury escape. On the first floor, you'll find a series of elegantly designed bedrooms. Each room features large windows, built-in closets, and high-end finishes. The bedrooms are spacious, offering comfort and privacy for family members or guests. Neutral tones, soft textures, and subtle accents create a calm and relaxing ambiance throughout the floor. Next, let's explore the principal bedroom. This master suite is a true sanctuary. With its private balcony, it offers stunning views of the surrounding landscape. The room itself is spacious and luxurious, featuring a king-size bed, designer furniture, and a cozy seating area. The master bedroom flows seamlessly into the master bathroom, complete with a freestanding tub, glass-enclosed shower, and high-end fixtures, giving it a spa-like feel. Moving up to the second floor, you'll find additional bedrooms and living spaces designed for guests or family members seeking privacy. Large windows continue to flood the space with natural light, while the elegant interior design maintains the same luxurious aesthetic found throughout the rest of the home. Finally, let's step outside to the garden. This backyard is a true paradise. With a sparkling swimming pool, stylish outdoor seating, and beautifully landscaped greenery, it's perfect for relaxing or hosting gatherings. Evening lighting adds a magical touch, illuminating the pool and garden in a warm, inviting glow. This mansion is more than just a house, it's a lifestyle. Every detail, from the architectural design to the interior finishes, has been thoughtfully chosen to create an experience of elegance, comfort, and sophistication. From the grand entrance to the serene garden, this home exemplifies modern luxury living at its finest. Thank you for joining us on this tour of this incredible American mansion. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to American Dream Mansions for more tours of the world's most luxurious properties. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We hope you feel inspired by the elegance and design of this home. Until next time, keep dreaming big and exploring the most amazing luxury homes around the globe.